everybody, Someone Girly here with another unboxing, this time of the Inku Crate for the month of June 2023. The box is torn because I take a sticker off the front because for some reason they decided that that was a good place to put it. Normal disclaimer, I'm visually impaired, so I will be using the zoom on my camera and reader glasses to see fine detail, so that's the reason why there's a lot of zooming. Now let's get into this. Considering the amount of supplies I have, I'm thinking about possibly stopping the subscription. Not 100% sure, and thinking about going to another subscription. Not sure which one. I may or may not leave that in there. Alright, we got ourselves a sneaky peek right here for you guys. And while I hit everything on my desk because I don't know how to organize a thing, if you noticed. Also, you'll hear a lot of traffic noise because of the window open because it is hot in here. Okay, what do we got here? We have ourselves our information packet, which we will not open fully, but we will open to see the front and the back here. It looks like someone's desk. It's a lot organized than mine, that's for sure. A window outside, kind of like the one I've got right now. It's very lovely. Was that flan down there? Yeah. Looks like they're journaling. It's a good picture for stationery box. Okay, let's see what's here right on the top here. We got ourselves some sort of thing. Is that a hot dog? Is that a hot dog? I don't know. Is it a pin? No, it's not a pin. Oh, it's like a little notepad. There's, I want to say sticky notes? Yeah, they're sticky notes. Is it a hot dog though? What is going on here? Okay, on the packaging there was this like little chef character, and of course there's a lot of Japanese on there and I can't read. But it's like, it's either a hot dog or some sort of like meat sandwich, and it's connected right there, and these here are notepad pages that you can write on and peel off and stick. They're sticky. That's fun. I don't know how to stop the camera properly. It's alright. It's fine. It's fine. This is all fine. Okay, so we got ourselves a little notepad. I see washi tape. What kind of washi tape do I spy? Okay, for the life of me, I can't figure out which way is right side up or right side not up, but whatever this is, the pattern continues on it. We got ourselves a wide circle here. A lot of washi on it. Okay, let's see if I can... This away or this away? Watching me struggle is probably the best part of this. I mean, it would be for me. I'm that kind of person. Okay, let us pull this out a little bit. I'm thinking some sort of milk product because there's a cow. So this could be the label to some milk product that I don't know what it is. I've never heard of it. But at the same time, how cute is that? And I can't wait to look at the pamphlet to find out for sure. I want that little cow. That little cow's mine. Next item up with the block. What we got here? We got ourselves some possibly sticker flakes. I see another milk carton. Are we going for a theme of a milk carton? Or food? Are we doing food? I just ate, so I'm not that hungry. Okay, so we have a bag full of sticker flakes here that I'm not going to pull out. They're individual stickers that you peel the backing off and you can stick, obviously. But thankfully for us, they have the little images on the back here and they look like sweet treats. Sweet treats. Look at that. Look at themselves. I'm going to guess that they're made of washi and some of them look sparkly. They're so shiny. I had funnel cake fries today for lunch, so I'm a little hyper and I'm sorry about that. Okay, so this is a heavy item here, and this is, I cannot remember the name of this character, but the show is on Netflix. I have not had Netflix for a while, so I cannot remember the name of the character, but it is a little red panda who works at an office, but she also loves heavy metal music. If this is what I think it is. If this is who I think it is, it should be the better thing. So what is this? Okay, so something. What is it a banner? Is it a little, whatever it is, it hangs up. It hangs up and it has 2 pouches on the front here to put things in. No pouches on the back, but it has pouches on the front for you to put things in while it's hanging on the wall. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, what do we got here? I still cannot remember the name of her, but it is a Sanrio product. And until we get to the pamphlet, I don't know what this is. It's very cute. I can't wait to hang this up and, like, I don't know, do you put little stationery products in it? Blah, blah, blah. My English is not doing today. Yeah, but that's, look at that. That is so cute. Oh, I'm in love. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the stuff that I get from this. Okay, so we got a wiggly worm. We have some sort of writing utensil here that has plastic on it that I think I can take this off. That's probably nothing. So why are you covered up? Ooh. 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 Listen. ASMR. It's a cat's paw. But, like, it's not a very quiet fidget spinner, I'll tell you that. That is not quiet at all. Now, are you a marker? Yes, you are. You're some sort of marking utensil. Alright, let's see here. What? Is that an eraser? That's not a marking utensil. Is this an eraser? Spinning that doesn't spin this, but for some reason, is it? No, wait. Is this? It's a cap! Instead of having that little wax ball that we have on our pens, it's a cap. I don't know nothing. Look at that. Look at how fine tip that is. That is very fine. By the way, that cap's not going back on. Nope. Not at all. The only thing is, though, is when you're writing, it kind of, this wiggles a little bit. Listen. Wait, is that sparkly? Oh, it's sparkly. That is adorable. There's no markings on it, though. So the only thing that's on it is the little... If you spin it while you're writing, it makes noise. All my fellow ADHD people and ADD people out there. Yeah. Okay. More wiggly worms. We got ourselves here what I'm gonna think is more origami paper. We've gotten Animal Crossing a long time ago, but this looks like it has Pikachu! Oh my goodness. I got it open. Did you see that? I had it open and then it just closed. It does what it wants. Everything does what it wants. Yeah, whoa, I think it's from the same company too, because that smell. So let's see here. They've got one. No, they don't. I thought they had one backwards. It's just plain in the background. You can use it for notebook paper if you like, or you can make something with it, like origami style. Anything that you can think of that just uses this size sheet of paper. But yeah, it is. I see a Snorlax. I don't need to zoom in to see the Snorlax, but it's covered in Pokemon, and this is adorable. My boyfriend's gonna steal this. Pocket Monsters. How many sheets? Here we go. Yeah. Okay. All right. We got another writing utensil. Is that Kuromi? It's Kuromi. It's my favorite Sanrio character. Kuromi is like the bad bunny, and My Melody is the good bunny. It's got a satisfying click to it. It's not a Sadasa. Let's see. Is this a normal? Oh, it's kind of... Don't do this to me, Japan. You haven't done this to me before. Now you're putting little like wax nibbins and stuff on stuff. All right, let's see here. Oh, it's green. Oh, that other pen was just plain black, but this is green. I love that. That is a pretty color. I was thinking it was going to be like purple or pink because of the two different characters, but I was surprised to see the green on it. Yeah. Okay. Whee! Last item in here. Yes. 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 Last item in here, I believe, is a notebook of some sort. I want to say maybe graph paper. Okay, so I can't see what's on the cover there, but it is a graph paper book. Let's give it a zoom. Oh, we got sweet treats. We got a sweet treat there. What does it say here? Cafe time. Cafe time choice. So this is I guess it says what the size of the graph is on the front here. On the back it has, you know, for your class and your name and stuff like that. And the pages themselves, they're not super dark, but they are dark enough. I wonder if this is for actually writing the characters, not for actual doing math. If this is for writing hiragana, katakana, and kanji lettering, which are the 3 styles of lettering in Japan. Oh, the front cover is a clear sheet. Okay, so you start off with your first page. That's cool. I like this. I have so many of these notebooks now. Anybody needs notebooks? I got so many. That is so cool. Okay, if you made it this far in the video, the ending for you, because you don't want to stay for the pamphlet reading, you can go if you'd like, or you can stay. It's your choice. You can do what you like. But if you are going, bloop, bloop. Now, if you're staying, let's go with this pamphlet and find out what some of these things are that I have absolutely no clue. I had too much sugar today. I can already tell. That's it. Agarasuko. Agarasuko. Sakura hanging wall pouch. So basically it was the only design, and you can organize and put your stuff in it any way you want. Although that one has a blue bottom to it. Mine has a, well, no, it's a purpley blue. So it's the same thing. So it looks like everybody got the same one. So you can basically put whatever you want in it. There's no plan for it. But then we got the milk pack stickers, which there must be one of 5 designs. I got the pink one. We have the Pokemon design paper, which is the origami type. Let's see here. We got the Sanrio gel pen, and you could get one of 6 different designs. What they mean is probably colors. So I got the one that I would like, honestly. Transparent notebook, which was one of 5 designs. So what they mean by transparent is basically you could see into the first pages because it's clear. That one's actually kind of cute too. We got the retro milk cap masking tape. Oh, milk cap. Okay, so when you take off the old foil lids. Okay, so one of 8 designs, and I had gotten the blue one. Okay, I'm old enough to remember milk caps. We got the Kitty Paw the ballpoint pen. Kitty Paw, and it was one of 6 different designs. We saw the one that I got. Retro Japanese bread sticky note, which we got the, I want to say, now that I'm thinking about it, that it's retros. They like to put spaghetti on sandwiches, so I'm wondering if that's it. So we got one of 8 designs here. I would have liked any of them, honestly, and that's it. We plowed through that, didn't we? Did I get everything? Yeah, I did. Okay. Again, they just have pictures here of people's boxes if they take pictures of them and put them on Instagram and stuff, and then an advertisement for the Sequoia Mart. Other than that, this was actually very adorable. I really like all the stuff that I got in here. I really, really like the stuff I got in here, especially I can't wait for my boyfriend to see this one. He's gonna go bananas. All right, so if you made it this far, let me know which item was your favorite. Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Just tell me that you love it if you want to. Other than that, I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you in my next unboxing.